compilation of severe thunderstorms that I've recorded over the past couple of years. I published it, I think, earlier this month, but now there's this one though, so yeah. But it's way off though, so it's not like, as of right now, much, but yeah, I'm hoping that there'll be a lightning quick or something like that, because it looks like it's getting to that point. Yeah, this is just so weird. Now I got a big time line of severe thunderstorms arriving to Derecho very soon. Very alarming for that area. Wouldn't be surprised if we catch a lightning strike. Big time events. Severe thunderstorm warning is now being extended into my county. Northern part of my county is what Burke County is. Storm back here, severe warned all the way up to South Dakota, and a bunch of tornado warnings in Omaha. We're blown past Omaha down to that area at about 80 miles an hour even. Can't believe it hasn't been a lightning strike in here. I haven't seen